Hello, welcome to LEC Online Component. Thank you so much for those of you that attended this morning's orientation. There were a few things that I just wanted to follow up with. We'll be officially rolling out Module 2 on Sunday, but as I said, it's open now for you to work on. But before you do that, I wanted to invite you to finish up today's work with a discussion that's part of the introduction for day 1. So if you open up your Haiku ITO site for LEC Admin, the Fall 2016 cohort, that's located at ito.haikulearning.com, and log in. And as you open up the introduction, remember the modules are in sections. I'd like to invite you to go all the way down to section 3 of resources. And if you open that up, you're going to see an assignment checklist here as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at that assignment checklist. There's a discussion posted here. Remember, today we worked on the discussion protocols. And I'd like to invite you all to participate in a discussion with me and the rest of the group on lifelong learning. So as a leader, how do you model lifelong learning? What are you doing to continue your professional learning? And share one or two of the newest skills or concepts that you recently learned and put into practice. So let's go ahead and see if we could get that completed by Sunday. And then on Sunday, I'm going to open up Module 2, and I'm going to provide you some examples for some of the activities for Module 2. If you want to begin on Module 2 now, you're welcome to. Let me just share with you a couple of things that I think might be a benefit to you as far as examples go. One of the things that you're going to be doing in the module as part of the activities is working in the Padlet Web 2.0 tool that we talked about. That's the corkboard where you click twice and you can post your ideas. But you're also going to be asked to work in a timeline or sort of a project. There's several different Web 2.0 tools that you can use to create the timeline, but I thought I'd give you an example of a couple. This is using Time Toast, and what you're going to be doing in this activity is taking a long-term look at an initiative that you're working on in your school or your district and where it might go by the year 2020. And you might even want to take it out a couple of years more. It seems like we're moving fast. And this one has actually been taken out all the way to a little bit past 2020. And Timeliner is a very easy program to use. I'm going to be posting some tutorials for the different programs in the resources for Module 2. So this is one example of an initiative that's being planned for one school that focused on a paperless school initiative, as well as a global citizens initiative and creating Freedom Elementary by the year 2020. This is another example, again, using a Timeliner program. And this one is, again, using flipped classrooms where they see their school in the year 2020. I invite you to look at both of these. Both of these were used creating the timeline with Time Toast. So here's a couple examples. I'll link to them in the resources as well as the tutorial. This is another example using a different program, a different mind map program called Mindomo, Mindomo.com. These are all free resources, and this allows for a little bit more of a pictorial look as you can see here. So I just wanted to touch base with you. Thank you for coming earlier today to our orientation, and make sure that you have the resources that you need to get started on finish up Module 1, and then the module that will be opening up officially is Leading the Learning, and that is right here. And this is the one where you will be working on the vision statement towards the end of the module. That is actually the portfolio assignment. If you want to see all of the activities, remember you can go into section 6 and click on Assignment Checklist, and you will see all of the activities for this module. So this is the activity right here where you're going to be using a timeline or sort of a program. And this is the activity right here where you'll be using a Padlet. And then the activities filled with the discussion, and then also using Wordle or other word programs to create that vision identifying keywords. And then, of course, the portfolio assignment, as we discussed together this morning, is that of working with your vision that your organization holds, but also working on another shared vision. So I'm going to sign off now, but please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any other questions. Thank you.